on-site septic system is a safe and effective method of wastewater treatment buried in your yard. The system is comprised of three main parts: the septic tank, the drain field, and most important, the soil. The septic tank stores and separates the solids from the wastewater. The drain field disperses the wastewater into the soil. In the soil, wastewater is naturally treated before it reaches groundwater. A septic tank is a watertight, durable cylinder or box, commonly made of concrete, but sometimes made of fiberglass, polyethylene, or steel. New York State regulations recommend a two-compartment septic tank, or two tanks in series for all new installations. Here's how it works. Human waste and wastewater flow by gravity from the house into the first compartment through an inlet pipe. In this compartment, household wastes separate into three layers. Heavy solids settle to the bottom of the tank to form a sludge layer. Bacteria that exist naturally in the septic tank help to digest a small portion of the organic solids by breaking them down into simple nutrients, gas, and water. Lighter solids, such as grease and hair, float up to form a scum layer. This separation process yields a treatable liquid waste, called effluent, between the sludge and scum layers. The effluent flows out of the first compartment and into the second. Here, the separation process continues under less turbulent conditions. The effluent flows out of the septic tank and into the drain field. Wastewater treatment takes place in the soil surrounding the drain field trenches. Undamaged baffles, or T's, at the inlets and outlets are vital. The inlet baffle prevents settled sludge from being disturbed as new wastewater enters the tank. The outlet baffle keeps solids from leaving the tank and clogging the drain field. Gas is formed as a byproduct of bacterial digestion in the tank. Gas baffles on the outlet prevent bubbles from carrying suspended particles into the drain field. Let's take a closer look at a drain field. The drain field, also known as a soil absorption field or leach field, is typically comprised of a distribution box and a large fork of plastic pipes set in gravel-filled trenches. Each end of the fork is capped. The pipe is perforated to allow the wastewater to enter the soil as it passes through the system. Wastewater flows from the septic tank down to the drain field where it enters the distribution box. Mechanical leveling devices are recommended on distribution boxes to maintain even flow of effluent through all the drain field lines. As septic tank effluent percolates into the soil, physical, chemical, and biological processes cleanse the effluent before it reaches groundwater. Some nitrate and phosphorus from the wastewater are taken up by soil microbes and plant roots. Phosphates are adsorbed onto clay soil particles, but nitrates remain in solution and may leach into groundwater. Disease-causing organisms such as bacteria, viruses, and protozoa are filtered out and die off in the inhospitable soil environment. Beneficial soil microbes break down many organic compounds found in wastewater.